Hello and welcome to Castle Performance. I'm with USClassicMuscleCars, and I'm here today to show you what to do when your car is really cold in these frigid, cold temperatures in the winter. The answer's closer than you think. Alright, so with it being this cold, the engine will be as stiff as can be, and the battery, as the temperature goes down, the power as well will diminish with it. Alright, and today we're going to use this 1989 Turbo Trans Am to show you exactly what to do. Alright, so when the weather is very cold, like 10 degrees, 0 degrees, or below 10, the battery will be very, very cold. So what we're going to want to do to warm it up is to turn on the lights for 10 seconds and then turn it back off just to get it running and warm. Alright, so here we go. We're going to turn the key to accessory mode. And we're going to turn on the lights for 10 seconds. Alright, so by turning the headlights on for 10 seconds, that'll get the electrons in the battery moving. That way, when you turn it off after that 10 seconds, it'll be easier to start your car. And what that does is it gets the electrons in the battery going and warmed up. Alright, so the second hack to trying to get your car to start on a cold winter day is to get your engine primed with a little bit of oil. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn the car over for about 2 seconds, and then we're going to turn it off. And after we turn it off, you're going to wait about 30 seconds and let the car sit. Alright, so what that's going to do is that it's going to bring oil into the engine area, and that oil will prime the cylinders to get your car started up more easy. See, it starts right up. Alright, so now that you know the 2 hacks to better start your car when it's really cold out, you can even combine the 2. Always remember to check with your car manufacturer for proper engine starting procedures. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Give it a thumbs up and share this with your family and friends. There's a lot more videos to be coming out soon.